Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am a happy planner fanatic. I am totally obsessed with the happy planner, and I post a video or more every single day here on my YouTube channel. So if you are not already, make sure that you are subscribed. We are in the last little countdown up until my huge reveal of my planner room, my craft area, everything. Once I get 1,000 subscribers of you guys, I will be uploading that video. So definitely stay tuned and make sure that you are subscribed. So this video is me decorating and planning in my mini vertical happy planner. And this is for the week of Halloween. I cannot believe it. That means in less than a week, it will be November, which is my all-time favorite month. It has Thanksgiving, Black Friday, and most of all, my birthday. It's just so exciting. So this week I am using the seasonal mega sticker book, which means there is 100 sticker sheets in this book. There is so many stickers, and I'm using these small icons. There's candy corns, there's black cats, witches hats, and little skeleton or like mummies. I think they're skeletons though. So any of the extra functional stickers like the checklist or the little colorful boxes or labels, any of those things are coming from this sticker book that I always list the sticker books that I use in the description below, but they are all going to be like oranges and yellows that go along with the candy corn. And the washi tape, I forgot to mention up at the top, I got a long time ago from Michaels. There's like a box that you used to, I don't think that they have it anymore, but you used to be able to get a full box for like $9.99. And honestly, I think there was like 20 or 30 rolls of washi in there. And this particular box was all seasonal. So I got lots of Halloween stuff. There was lots of Christmas, Easter. There was like snowflake ones. I don't know, just tons of washi. So that's where I got it. I highly doubt that they sell it anymore, but I always get asked about my seasonal washi tapes because, you know, they're pretty cool. So anyways, wanted to mention that. My mini planners, I use sparsely every week. I'm honest every week when I share my mini plan with me's, but I really try to make an effort every week to use it, to show you guys my kind of like process of how I try to use it. But mostly I like to have like my grocery list in there, or maybe reminders of going to go get some medicine from the pharmacy, you know, like my prescriptions. I have pretty much anything to do outside of the house. And then if there's not much of that going on throughout the week, I honestly will make, you know, space to fill in other things that I do throughout the week. So honestly, it's more of like a catch-all / on-the-go planner. So, you know, just wanted to share that. Other than that, this is pretty much all done. I decorated a little bit, so make sure you like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.